Greetings, welcome back to my channel. Today I will take you through how to use Google Drive. So before going further, what is a Google Drive? A Google Drive is just a cloud-based file storage service developed by Google that allows users to save and share files across multiple devices, including computers. So that is briefly about Google Drive. So let me open my Google Chrome. We're using internet, so it is not instant, have to be a little patient, but yeah, we are here. So when you're at this point, then you go to new. Here we have when you want to create a new this is when you want to create a new folder. Yes. Then you have file upload, when you want to upload a file into a computer. And then we have folder upload, when you already have a folder and you want to upload it, you go for this option. Then we have Google Document, Google Sheets, Google Slides, and so on. So let's create a new folder. So here we can use my name, Prudence, and create. Then you go so after creating a folder, you can now, let's minimize. So if I want to save this file here in my folder, I'll drag it, I'll carry it and bring it to my folder.
She goes later. Send it to your mother and get lessons.
So
you prepare this management.
So thing that you have saved will come under storage here, and anything that you delete will come to trash. Then spam, if you're not sure of a text that you have received or something that you have received and you suspect it to be spam, you save it here. Then you have start. These are the things that you will appear first when you're looking for them. They're always on the front. Then we have the recent. These are the things that you frequently visit. So this is all I can say about Google Drive. I hope you have learned something. Thank you.
The monkey is back. So that is you.
You just disappear quietly. Did you not come back with the USB?